Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change your email address on the EA page, in the EA account. So this is when you enter in the in www.ea.com, you need to go to you need to log in your account, and after that you need to go to account settings. Here in account settings, the only thing you need to do is go here in your basic information, and here where set email address, you can change your email. And when you change your email, you need to put a verification code to complete the change of your email. And you can change your email every time you want, but this is how you can do it. The only thing you need to do is pick in account settings and in basic information to pick and edit, and you can change your email address. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.